Welcome to today's live Forex trading session. In this video, we'll be applying the EMA and RSI strategies in real market conditions. You'll be seeing everything from analyzing the charts to placing live trades, to managing risk, and explaining every decision in real time. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate trader, this session will give you valuable insights into how to approach the markets and make decisions based on technical analysis. Step 1. Market overview and chart setup. Before we dive into placing trades, let's first take a look at the broader market. We'll begin by analyzing the currency pair we're focusing on today, which is the EUR/USD. As always, I start with a clean chart, looking at the 1-hour and 4-hour time frames to get a broader sense of the market trend. I'll pull up the 50-period EMA to get a sense of the short-term trend, and the 200-period EMA to gauge the long-term trend. You can see right now that the price has been bouncing above the 50 EMA, showing signs of bullish movement. The RSI is currently at 65, indicating that the pair is approaching an overbought condition, but not quite there yet. Step 2. Analyzing the trade setup now. Looking at the chart, we can see the price has recently pulled back to the 50-period EMA. This could be a potential buying opportunity, as the price often respects the EMA in trending markets. However, we need to check if the RSI supports this trade. At the moment, the RSI is hovering around 65, which is a bit close to overbought territory, so I'll wait for a pullback or a confirmation of the trend before jumping in. Let's move to a lower time frame, the 15-minute chart, to fine-tune our entry. As you can see, the price is starting to move in a narrow range, forming a potential breakout setup. I'm watching for a clear break above the recent resistance, coupled with the RSI moving towards 50, signaling the start of a fresh uptrend. Step 3. Placing the trade. Alright, we've got our setup. The price is broken above the resistance level, and the RSI is pulled back slightly, but is still showing bullish momentum. I'm going to enter a buy trade here with a stop loss, just below the recent swing low and a take profit target at the next resistance level. I'm risking 2% of my account balance on this trade, and I've calculated my position size to ensure my stop-loss dose and T exceed that risk. This is where risk management comes into play. Even though we've got a good setup, we want to make sure we don't overexpose ourselves to the market. Step 4. Managing the trade. As the trade progresses, we'll keep an eye on a few things. The EMA should continue acting as support for the price, and if it breaks below the 50 EMA, I'll be ready to exit the trade early to preserve capital. The RSI will also give us clues. If it starts heading back towards 70, we might want to scale out of the position or adjust our stop to lock in profits. The real-time market movements are unpredictable, so I'm always ready to adjust my strategy. For example, if the price suddenly reverses and the RSI goes below 30 on a sharp dip, I'll look to exit or adjust my take profit target. Step 5. Explaining the decision. As you can see, the market is starting to move in our favor. This is where understanding the EMA and RSI strategies truly pays off. The EMA has kept the price above it, signaling bullish momentum. The RSI is supporting that momentum without being overextended. My decision to enter here is based on these two indicators confirming each other. It's important to stay patient and not get greedy. Even though the trade is moving in our favor, I'm not going to move my stop loss or take profit levels too soon. Let the market breathe and hit your targets. Step 6. Reviewing the outcome. The trade hit our take profit target, and we've secured our profits. If the market had gone against us, the stop loss would have been triggered, limiting our losses to just 2% of the account balance. That's how we protect our capital while aiming for consistent, profitable trades. This session demonstrates how you can use EMA and RSI strategies to analyze the market, place trades with good risk management, and make real-time decisions based on live market conditions. It's all about following your strategy, managing risk, and staying disciplined. Conclusion: I hope you found this live trading session useful. Remember, trading is all about consistency. Stick to your strategy, manage your risk, and don't let emotions dictate your decisions. If you'd like to see more live sessions like this, it's where we break down trades and strategies in real time, don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy trading!